Well, back at this game, USC now leading by 5, and Adamson, of course, winning the first set, and mukhang nag-adjust naman ng USC.
Of course, very timely, and like what we said, very critical for UST to win this second set. Adamson seems to have been silenced also.
Although UST sending that long point goes to Adamson. A lot of miscues on the side of Adamson in this set. That was a beautiful dig from Pineda. That's why they got that setup and got the point.
Soriano with a good serve.
Now Pineda reading that well. Judy Caballejo making sure she took that one.
The ball falling right in between Soriano and Pineda.
That's right. Maruban and Dikla to serve for UST. And another miscue on the side of the Lady Falcons. So UST with another point, and they are at set point.
Good
that
call.
goes long.
And this is the problem of UST. I mean, they score a lot of points, but sayang because for every 2, for every 3 that they score, they commit an error. Without that error, they could have probably won the second set already.
But now giving a chance for Adamson. Adamson still able to put that ball up. Again, the defense of Adamson just working again. So now just down by just 4 points.
Pineda just punching that ball over. And, you know, you mentioned the defense. And we know that, you know, over the years, Adamson is a team known for excellent defense.
Oh, but they throw it away with that error on the service line. Pineda with a long serve. So they now give the second set to UST, and we are tied, partner.
That's right. Again, a lot of exciting matches we have here, especially now in the finals.
That's right. UST getting the second set, the third set when we return.